The Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a standout option in the growing market of electric bicycles, particularly for those who crave speed, efficiency, and versatility in their commuting experience. With a powerful 1200W motor and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, this e-bike promises to not only make your daily commutes easier but also more exhilarating. After spending significant time with the Qlife, here's a detailed review covering its features, performance, comfort, and overall value. Design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the Qlife Electric Bike does not disappoint. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a robust aluminum alloy frame that provides durability without adding unnecessary weight. Weighing around 60 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and ease of handling. The bike is available in various color options, allowing users to select one that best fits their style. The assembly process is straightforward, thanks to the well-detailed instructions provided in the manual. Most users can put it together in under an hour, even if they are not particularly handy. The bike's components feel premium, especially the 26-inch puncture-resistant tires that provide excellent grip on different terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing onto mountain trails. Performance and speed. One of the standout features of the Qlife Electric Bike is its powerful 1200W motor, which delivers impressive acceleration. The bike can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for commuters looking to cut down on travel time. The throttle response is immediate, allowing for quick bursts of speed when necessary. This is particularly useful when merging into traffic or navigating intersections. The Qlife offers 3 riding modes: pedal assist, throttle, and pure electric. The pedal assist mode is especially noteworthy, as it provides varying levels of assistance based on how much effort you put into pedaling. This feature not only helps conserve battery life but also allows for a more engaging riding experience. The smart LCD display provides real-time information regarding speed, battery level, and distance traveled, ensuring you are always informed during your ride. Battery life. Equipped with a 48V13A lithium-ion battery, the Qlife boasts an impressive range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This makes it suitable for daily commutes or longer weekend rides without the constant worry of running out of battery. The battery can be easily removed for charging, which is a convenience many users appreciate, especially for those living in apartments or places where charging in the garage may not be an option. Charging time is around 4 to 6 hours, which is reasonable for a battery of this capacity. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is crucial for any bike, especially if you plan to ride for extended periods. The Qlife Electric Bike comes with a comfortable, adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, promoting a natural riding posture. The front suspension system does an excellent job of absorbing shocks and bumps, providing a smooth ride even on rough terrains. The disc brakes, both front and rear, offer reliable stopping power, instilling confidence while riding at higher speeds. The bike's overall stability is commendable, aided by its wide tires and low center of gravity. Whether navigating through busy city traffic or tackling steep hills, the Qlife maintains control and balance, making it suitable for both novice riders and experienced cyclists alike. Final thoughts and summary. The Qlife Electric Bike for adults is an impressive urban commuter and mountain bike that effectively combines power, speed, and comfort. The robust design, powerful motor, and impressive battery life make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable electric bike for daily use. It caters well to both casual rides and more intensive mountain biking adventures, making it versatile for various riders. While the price point may be on the higher side compared to basic electric bikes, the features and performance justify the investment. The Qlife offers great value for those looking to invest in a quality electric bike that will enhance their commuting experience and